Okay, so this video shows you how to get set up in the Flexbooker system. You'll get an email that says you've been added to the graduate program and add Flexbooker account. Click on Get Started, and then just go ahead and create a username and password there. I'm going to go and create this for my sample. And okay, so once you log into your account, you should be taken to a page similar to this. And then if you click on Schedule right here in the top left-hand corner, you'll see in order to create your account, I added just like a kind of a dummy schedule there. Otherwise, it wouldn't let me create the actual account. So what you'll need to do is click on. You can go ahead and delete that. The little garbage can there deletes that schedule, and then do Add New Schedule. And then what you want to do is create an open time frame schedule here. So click that, and then click on yourself as, it says go through the steps here, 1, 2, 3, 4. First step is select the employee, which is yourself, so select that. And then make sure not to click this. So see where this says fixed dates and times? Do not click that. From my understanding, the Flexbooker system only lets you do one system, which is recurring weekly or the fixed date. You don't want to do the fixed date. You want to stick on recurring weekly, and then try to find some times where you think that you could do some hours here. So let's say it's 3 to 5. Let's say. So you click on that, create that block, and then you should be able to drag this down like that, like so. So now I did 3 to 5. That is an open time slot. And then let's say that's all we wanted to do, just a Monday from 3 to 5. That's fine. Then click on, go back up and click on next. It'll bring me to stage 3. Buffer time is if you needed like time in between to take notes and everything. I don't think you'll need to do that. So click on no. It's set at default at no, so leave it at no. And then stage 4, which is what services. So I don't know why this is coming up because I set it in a way that you should only be able to select. You should only be able to select the services that I've set up for you. However, it's coming up this way too, so it looks like it's giving you the option to do all these services, and that's not the way it should be. So you're not a graduate advisor. You may or may not be a data analysis consultation. If you work for the lab, you'll probably know that. And then if you're not working for the lab, then unclick that so that box is left empty. So it's just for regular appointments. This is a resource consultation. Make sure that's the only box that is clicked. If you are a data analysis consultant, you can go ahead and click that too. You could also create completely separate calendars. Let's say I wanted to create a separate calendar for a research consultation and a whole second one for data analysis. You do that same way. So you have to go through the steps and click on either one of those two boxes. If the times do overlap, then you can leave them both clicked. If they don't overlap, then leave only one checked. And then the last step is just finish. And then you'll see this page here, and then click on schedule again, and then you'll see the hour that we set up. The block that we set up Monday through Friday from 5 o'clock. And then here's your calendar. It shows that. Last thing I wanted to mention is the calendar integration. So this does have two-way calendar integration with all of the popular calendar systems. For example, if you have an iPhone or use Apple products and you use the Apple the calendar, use iCal. For all other calendar integrations like Outlook or Google, click this box here where it says other calendar integrations. So to do that, click on that, and then it'll give you an option of all the different types here. So I use Google a lot. Sometimes people use Outlook or whatever. It's pretty simple. It walks you through the steps just like the other thing did. It walks you through the steps of the calendar integration. And what's great is you can set it up so that let's say you're also using your Gmail calendar as your personal calendar. And you have a dentist appointment, and you don't really want the students knowing you have a dentist appointment. You could set it up so that whatever is in your personal Google Calendar is hidden from description, so it'll just say busy. it won't say dental appointment. So the student will just see that block from 2 to 3 is busy. They can't schedule it, but you know why it's busy because in your Google Calendar it shows you have a dental appointment or whatever. And then yeah, the integration does work really well. So that if you make an appointment in your Google Calendar, a personal one, it blocks the student from booking that time frame. Even if you have that time frame open normally, it'll block it. And then the same goes true for the other way too. If you have an appointment and if your student makes an appointment at Flexbooker, it automatically shows up in your calendar and it'll stop those double bookings from happening. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions on setting this up, please let me know. Bye.